Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Volvo V40 ES. This car comes with the 1.6 diesel turbo engine and the manual gearbox, producing 113 brake horsepower while still returning up to an incredible 83 miles per gallon. Road tax is free each year and the mileage is just over 70,000 miles. This colour is called Black Sapphire, and as we have a look inside, a few features worth mentioning. You've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio and Bluetooth, and also your climate controls below. And this car also has the automatic headlights and the 4 electric window controls and mirror controls there on the driver's door. As we have a look in the back, the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, lots of leg room, and I see the car's still got the original Volvo carpet floor mats there as well, which is good to see. And as we open the tailgate, you've got the nice, good sized boot there with this split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place, and also a tyre inflator underneath the boot floor as well. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, also the 16-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance which is 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.